Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Journey to a Happy Life. Today I am going to harvest this potato. I planted this one on the first week of November last year 2019, and today is February 24. So actually I decided to harvest it now instead of next month, is because this one is already dying and it's dying. So whatever I can get today, I'm not very positive because it's only like 3 months. So hopefully I have a very good harvest. Okay, bear with me guys as I dig this potato. Also guys, I am ready right here. I have my little basket. I'm just gonna use my hands. And then by the way, I only use 3 seed potatoes in here. I got it from Trader Joe's. It's the color is red, so I don't know, I cannot remember what variety it is. So guys, I have here with my dog Casey. She's right here. So hey Casey, no 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 no. So let's start in here. And I'm thinking of using this big pot to transplant my limoncito. It's like a little, like, I don't know what it is in English. So I'm going to transfer it here. See, as you can see, there's still a lot of little potato in here. So a lot of small potato, which is good for I think stir fry maybe. So this area, I guess, is for one potato that I planted, and I get this one. I think it's not bad, although it's small. Ah, there. Here is the seed potato. Hey, Kissy, no? I'm just gonna dig it deeper later. So I really didn't like expect that this one will survive, because I planted it during the cold weather, and then in December we have some colder nights, and then um, in fact this one grows really slow when I planted it, but right now I'm really happy for three seed potato. I got this one, although they're small, which is I already expected, because it's only like 3 months, more than 3 months. I guess that's it. Time. And that's it. There's this. I think that's it, guys. So this is my final harvest. So I'm happy about this harvest, because although on the other note I am hoping that it's a little bit bigger, but since it's only 3 months old, and I planted it in November, and December 21st is the official winter here in the United States. So this one really is I think a good harvest. So you can actually grow here uh, potato during winter, but it's not as good as if you planted it during like summer. So okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Hopefully next time also I can show you when I harvest my um, asparagus. I have few asparagus plant, which is I'm going to harvest. Oh, I think I will harvest it today, and then I will make another separate video of that one. Okay, thank you. Bye.